everybody, and welcome back to Adventures by April. You guys will not believe where I am at. I'm staying in a hotel room for my travel physical therapy contract. I'm actually really excited to stay in a hotel. I don't know why. I feel like it's just gonna be exciting. It's something different. And I found this on Furnished Finders, and most of the hotels that I called were like super expensive. Like with a pet, it was well over $2,000 a month. But this one, they only charged a flat pet fee. So not like each day there wasn't a charge for a pet. This place had a good rate. I chose it because I literally could not find anything else. Trying to find housing has been the hardest thing ever. Oh my gosh, it's been so stressful. For the past like 2 months, I've been stressed out trying to find housing. And at the last minute, I finally found this hotel that was offering a pretty good rate. So I took it. So I'm gonna be here. And while we're at it, let me tell you about my next contract. But first, I have to go get the rest of my things because this is not all my stuff. All my other stuff is in the storage room at my last apartment. So I'm gonna go run and get that stuff, move it all in my car, move it all in here. Not looking forward to it. And then I'll explain a little bit more about my current contract that I'll be on. Okay, let's go. This is not safe. I got everything in the car. Everything is like hitting my arm. But yeah, I can see a little bit. I can see out my mirror, so we're good. But oh my Lord, have mercy. I'm sweating like crazy. Now I have to get all this stuff out of my car into the hotel room. Not looking forward to that, but whatever. Here we are. All right, I'll see y'all back at the hotel room. Oh, it's gonna take a while. I'm not even halfway there and I'm sweating to death. I'm dying of thirst. Yo, there is a tropical, I can't even talk right now. Okay, my lips are dry. There's a tropical smoothie cafe right across the street. I am definitely getting me a smoothie after all this is done. Okay, let's go get some more stuff in. Come on, can y'all help me? Please, come on. Now that I'm in a hotel room, I'm starting to realize how many unnecessary things I have. Like there's a lot of stuff, especially in a hotel room, I do not need. And I don't know what to do about it. I know some stuff I'm gonna try to sell, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. Anyways, let's keep going. Come on. I got all this kitchen stuff and no kitchen, but I have to keep it because like what if my next place has a kitchen? So I'm gonna like get rid of some stuff, like things I just never use. I'm gonna get rid of. We're gonna downsize a lot. I can't keep putting myself through this. Oh, Tubby. Aw, I just hit Tubby in the head. You're okay. How do you like the new place, huh? You wanna get on the windowsill and look? Come on. Oh God. You like it up down? Thank God, I'm done. Y'all wanna see how much stuff I have like everywhere? I'm gonna go get a smoothie now. Try to organize this place the best that I can. This is gonna be a before and then after. Ready?
The next day.
Okay, I'm not gonna show y'all the entrance or the bathroom. It still has a lot of work to be done. We're getting there. This is kind of where the mess is kind of shifted off to.
Hey YouTube, hi.
One great thing about this hotel is that you get free breakfast every morning. So I got a bagel with peanut butter and a banana.
It's very, very low. Food's here.
Yay! Some new cookie time. Yep. Okay, hello everyone. I don't know where I left off, to be honest. Anyways, sorry if it's windy, you probably can't hear me. But, update. So we got back to the hotel room. We ran some errands. We're gonna go get some food. And we get to the door and we can't get in. The key card isn't working. So we go up to the front desk. She gives us some new key cards and we try those and those aren't working either. We go back up and she tried her master key. She can't get in either. Yeah, apparently the door is dead. So we have to wait for the manager to come back. Anyways, we're walking to go get our food now. And hopefully by the time we get back, we'll be able to get inside. Finally home, finally relaxed. Tonight has been a little bit cray-cray. So we are going on a camping trip tomorrow and we have not packed anything. We haven't really gotten ready yet. We've been trying to get the hotel room ready. It's taking some time. We've kind of been procrastinating throughout the day. Oh, she likes to give headbutts. Give the camera a boop. Boop. Okay, I literally almost forgot about like the whole reason for this video. I don't know where this is going. This has honestly been a terrible video. I really apologize if you watched this video, but also thank you for if you watched the entire thing. So the reason I am in a hotel now is because I extended my contract. So I'm still at the same place that I've been working for the past 6 months. So I'll be here for another 3 months. The reason being is because one, I do like this area. I want to check out more hiking spots and fall is coming up. So I want to be in this area for when the leaves change. The mountains are so beautiful like during the fall. So I just want to be here in this area. And also they gave me a pay raise. So I want to be here because the pay is really good. Also have my PRN job. So it's just good money. So I want to stay here. Pay off my loans quick. Yada yada. You know the drill if you've seen all my other videos. Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, also my family lives like about 4 hours away. We have some plans in October. They want to go camping. So we're going to go camping together. And also there's an amusement park nearby called Kingston Minion, so we plan to go do that too. So we have a lot of fun family plans. I think that's it. I had to wait till the very end of this video to figure out what I was doing for my next contract, but there it is. Bing. Okay, bye you guys. Toby, what do you guys say? Toby said like and subscribe and comment below and turn on notifications and give me all the boops. Boop. See you next time. We have a lot of family, what am I trying to say? So we have a lot of family planned for October. This doesn't sound right. We have a lot of family adventures planned, family trips planned.